Hey guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to edit footer in Elementor. First of all, we need to bring our cursor to plugins and then click on add new, and in the search box we'll search for Elementor. Then click enter. Here you can see a plugin named Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on install now. Once it's installed, then click on activate button. Okay, so my plugin has been activated. Now I'll search for my plugin. I'll again type Elementor. Here is my plugin Elementor header and footer. I'll go to settings. You can edit your header and footer from here. If you don't want to edit it from here, then there is also a second option. First of all, bring your cursor to pages and then click on all pages. As you can see in this page here, it is written edit with Elementor. Click on it. Then click on these three dots, go to theme builder, and from here you can also edit your header and footer. Just click on footer. If you have pro version of Elementor, you can edit your footer from here. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.